My name is Aradhya from grade 6. In CS project, we complete a game using visual coding. The name of the game is Super Mario Dash. It is interesting using scratch coding. Now we are developing a game using Python. The name of the game is the Turtle Race game.
Hello, my name is Chandru. I am also from grade 6. After seeking the gaming and animation, we will move to the robotics, AI and web development in the project suite. We will learn advanced project with the help of Arduino microcontroller. Sensors, actuators in robotics. I am feeling very excited for that.
My name is Akilshan Muhammad, class 6th B.
My name is Muhammad Usman, class 6th B.
This is the brain of the projector. This is the sensor. This is the brain of Arduino Uno. This is the sensor.
Hi, I'm Ramla Barros. I'm handling computer science at Floreat International Senior Secondary School. We introduced the CyberSquare project suite this year alongside a successful school-level digital fest. And we are thrilled with the outcome, which exceeded our expectations. The kids are showing a very high level of interest in learning the technologies. And we are happy to contribute the knowledge to the students, which will definitely help them in their future.
Hi, my name is Vaishak. I'm handling a CS project suite in Floreat International Senior Secondary School. As ma'am mentioned before, we introduced CS project suite this year, and the response from the students is especially from the lower sessions are really making us very happy, and it will definitely help them in their future to participate in different kinds of competitions, expos, exhibitions, in national and international level, which definitely help them there in the future. And like the parents, we are also dreaming about their bright future. Thank you.